what we're making today is a miniature room where nature things such as leaves, flowers, anything you find in the garden or in the woods that you can display in a small room like this. So to make this room, you need 4 sticks with an equal length, and you have to make sure that they're not very bendy, they're tough, and they're straight too. Some piece of string, you can use yarn or thread, I don't know, but make sure it has to be thick and it does not break easily. And you may also need to use some scissors to cut the string. And of course, nature things such as leaves, flowers, of any kind that you can find in the garden or in the woods near your house. So this is my work surface, my lamp, and my dried up blueberry flowers. So the first step, you need to use a piece of string, any length that you think is good enough to tighten the sticks together. First, you make an X using 2 sticks. It can be 2 centimeters or 1 centimeter long, depending on how big it's your room. So for my room, it is quite big actually, so I tie the knot at this length. To tie the knot, you need to use a piece of string like this, and it's pretty easy too. Here, this is a pre-tied stick because I did it a while ago. You put a piece of string here, and then you start crossing it over and over and over like this till you think it's enough. Then you switch on the other direction of the X, and you start doing over and over until the knot is pretty tightened, and you think it's good to go. You can tie a knot to fasten it, maybe cut the extra parts. So now I'm going to attach the 4 of the sticks together, and that may take a while, so I'm going to start doing it. So this is the finishing product. It looks really wobbly, and the ends not a very perfect square, and the strings are a little loose, but we'll talk about that later. Right now we need to make a net in the room so that we can actually hold the miniature things. To make a net is really simple. You just need to start off at the end and then loop the loop around. There's no right or wrong in this process. It's just being creative, having that loopy vibe, whatever. I'm going to pause the video and have a second. So this is what I end up with. It's a pretty simple net with 3 loops, and here's the fun thing. You can put the leaves into these edges that you make, or some flowers, or if you just tie some sort of decoration or ribbon onto your room, it would make a really good present for your beloved one. So if you want to make a miniature, well, then follow these steps and you'll make a really great one. Although the sticks are pretty flimsy and the strings are tight, I guess this is pretty good craft. You can also put things on it, except that they will break. See, put my I can put my pencil holder on it. See? So it's the end of the video. Thank you for watching.